In our last video, we learned how to add multi-digit numbers, like 124 plus 463 equals 587. If you haven't watched it, don't forget to check it out right here. Let's take a look at a similar problem, but with a little bit of a twist this time. 17 plus 26. If we use the same method in the previous video, we should add the numbers by column, right? In the ones column, we have 7 plus 6 equals 13. In the tens column, we have 1 plus 2 equals 3. So the answer for 17 plus 26 equals 313. Wait a minute, that doesn't sound right. The sum is way too big. Okay. Let's learn the correct way to solve multi-digit number additions like this one. After aligning these numbers, let's add them up column by column, starting with the ones. We have 7 ones plus 6 ones equals 13 ones. But don't put 13 down at the answer spot just yet. We can actually regroup 13 ones into 110 and 3 ones. This is what we call regrouping method. Whenever a sum of one column is 10 or higher, we need to regroup them into the next higher place value. In the case of 13 ones, tens is the next higher place value of ones. So we regroup them into 110 and 3 ones. Okay, after we regroup it, what's next? Well, we can write down 3 in the ones column and carry 110 to the tens column, because that is where 110 belongs. Next, we will move to the tens column. We have 1 plus 2 plus the 1 that we carried over here, and the total is 4. There you have it. 17 plus 26 equals 43. Okay, not too bad, but are you feeling ready to add bigger numbers with regrouping? Let's work together to understand these problems and solve them. The first problem is 196 plus 514. Of course, we can't forget to align these numbers first. Then we will work with the ones column. Here we have 6 plus 4 equals 10. Okay, using the regrouping method, how should we transform 10? Since this is the sum of the ones column, we know 10 represents 10 ones, and 10 ones make 110, which means we are left with 0 ones. From here, let's write down 0 in the ones column and carry that 110 to the tens column. Next, we add all the numbers in the tens column. 9 plus 1 equals 10, then add the extra 1 above to make it 11. Because we gain 11 from the tens column, we have 11 tens. Wow, look at that. We have another sum of a column that is 10 or higher. How should we regroup 11 tens? I think we know how to do this. We need to regroup to the next higher place value. And 100 is the next higher place value of 10. So 11 tens can form 100 and 110. All right, we can write down 1 under the tens column and carry 100 to the hundreds column. Whew, we're almost done. The hundreds column is the only thing left. We have 1 plus 5 plus the extra 1 equals 7. That's our answer. 196 plus 514 equals 710. Okay, the next addition is 257 plus 92. Remember to position the numbers correctly so that the ones, the tens, and the hundreds of each number are aligned. Don't misplace them like this, or you're going to get the wrong answer. In the ones column, we have 7 plus 2 equals 9. All right, since the sum is not 10 or higher, we don't need to regroup anything, and we can write down number 9. In the tens column, we have 5 plus 9 equals 14. This is when we need to use the regrouping method, turning 14 tens into 104 tens. Write down the number 4 and carry 100 into the hundred column. Lastly, in the hundred column, we have 2 plus nothing. But wait, we did carry 100 over, right? So now it's 2 plus 1 equals 3. That means 257 plus 92 equals 349. Wow, look at you go! Now you know how to add multi-digit numbers with regrouping. By transforming the sum of each column into the next higher place value, then carrying it over to the next column. Okay, looks to me like you're pretty good at this whole addition thing. But are you ready for subtraction? Don't miss out on our upcoming video where we're going to discuss subtracting multi-digit numbers. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on our new content. See you in the next video.